Hey everyone, I'm Anna and welcome back to For Real. Tired of that super bright power light on your PS5 ruining the mood in your dark gaming room? This video shows you exactly how to adjust the PS5 power indicator brightness step by step, so you can focus on what matters most, your game. If you've ever been deep into a cinematic game or watching a movie and found your eye being drawn to that glowing strip of light, you're in the right place. It can be surprisingly distracting, but thankfully, Sony gave us a simple fix. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to dim that light. And as a bonus, since we'll already be in the right menu, I'll also show you how to turn off that loud startup beep sound your PS5 makes. We're going to make your console stealthy. Let's get started. Okay, from your PlayStation 5 home screen, you need to navigate to the settings menu. It's not in the main games row. You have to look up at the very top right of your screen. You'll see a little gear icon right next to your profile picture. Go ahead and select that. Now that you're in settings, you'll see a whole list of options. This is where you can control everything about your console. For what we need to do, scroll down the list until you find System. It has a cube icon next to it. This is the hub for your core console settings. Select it. Alright, inside the System menu, you'll see another list on the left. The third option down is the one we're looking for, Beep and Light. This is where you can customize some of the physical feedback your PS5 gives you. Let's select it. Now, on the right, you'll see two sections. The top one is beep sound. If you're tired of that loud beep every time you turn on your console or put it in rest mode, you can click Mute Beep Sound right here. It's a game changer for late-night gaming sessions when you don't want to wake anyone up. A super useful part of our PS5 system settings customization. Quick pause. If you've already found this tip about the beep sound helpful, please give this video a quick like. It really helps others find it. Okay, back to the main event, the lights. Just below the beep sound section is what we came for, power indicator. You'll see an option here called brightness, and it's likely set to bright. Go ahead and select brightness. A little pop-up menu gives you three choices: bright, which is the standard, medium, and dim. This is how you'll change your PS5 light setting. As you move the selector over each option, your console's power light will change in real time, which is a really nice touch. So you can see exactly how it looks before you commit. Let's cycle through them. Here's medium, and here's dim. You can see dim is much softer and less distracting. Find the one you like and then just press X to select it. That's it. Your choice is saved and your PS5 light is now customized. One last thing while we're on the topic of lights. Ever wonder what the different colors mean? A solid white light means your PS5 is fully on and ready to go. A pulsing orange light means it's in rest mode, downloading updates or charging your controller. And a pulsing blue light means the console is starting up. So now you know exactly what your console is telling you just by its color. This is all part of learning how to fully customize your PS5 for the best experience. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you now know exactly how to adjust the brightness of your power indicator and even mute that startup beep. No more distracting lights or loud noises. Your gaming setup is now sleeker, stealthier, and perfectly customized for you. If you found this tutorial useful and want more tips to get the most out of your PlayStation 5, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today, and let me know in the comments, what other PS5 settings do you want to master? I might cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching For Real, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.